In the second row, press the one-touch button located on the right side of the left seat cushion for half a second. The seat back will recline and the seat cushion will move into the present position, making you look as if you're floating in space. Use a continuous touch switch located on the side of the seat to make precise adjustments. Press the switch backward to bring the seat to a premium relaxing position, forward to bring it back to the return position. The seat cushion can also be adjusted separately. Press the seat cushion height control lever toward to bring the seat cushion to the premium relaxing position, and press the switch upward to bring the seat cushion to the return position. However, if a passenger is wearing a seatbelt in the third row, the one-touch switch feature will not activate. Move the seat freely by using the forward, back, left, and right side levers located on the left side of the right cushion. When the seat has been moved to the door side from the center position, use the second row armrests by manually adjusting them into the desired position. Even if the angle of the seat back changes, the angle of the armrest retains in the same position.
Kia, movement that inspires.